Okay. Good evening po. I am Kizaya Clarjay Celia, and I am going to report for you today the continuation of our report with Revelo, John Carlo Revelo, and this is my part po sa report. Okay. Find the degrees of freedom, which is pakita mo ang degrees of freedom sa problem. Ang problem niya is, kita ang problem. Pero, kabutan dali sa given is, ang n niya is equals to 20, muna 20 minus 1. Kaya, formula sa df is n minus 1, which is 20 minus 1 po, then 19 ang equals. Then b, significance level a equals 0.05. Alternative hypothesis is non-directional. Ay, dara. Ito ang problem. Dito. Kaya ang problem dara sa problem. Problem is, since the p-value 0.05, do not reject the null hypothesis, conclude that there is no sufficient evidence to indicate that the average height of the Filipino males is different from 163 centimeters. So first step is find the degrees of freedom. Then ang second step is pakita mo yung significance level, which is given na dito sa problem mga 0.05. Alternative hypothesis is non-directional. The two-tailed test shall be used. The table of p critical values, which is ang degrees of freedom nimo kay 19, then ang critical value nimo is 0.05 nag-given sa problem. And p-value of 1.87, wala siya ang gawas dito sa gawas ito sa table na mag-ipangita sa numbers. Is between 1.729 and 2.093 under columns headed 0.10 and 0.05. This means 0.05 greater than less than 1 over 2 p greater than 0.025 or 0.010. O siya, then muna yung drawing. Yung negative o yung positive. Less than or greater than there. Ang sa pikas pod, step 5 sa katong first problem. The computed test statistics t equals 1.96 does not fall the rejection region, does not reject the null hypothesis. There is no sufficient evidence to hear that the average height of Filipino males is different from 163 centimeters. By using the p-value method, step 1, state the null and the alternative hypothesis, which is HO, or the null hypothesis, mu equals 163. The yung pikas is alternative hypothesis, which is HA, mu 163 yapon. Then step 2, determine the significance level A equals 0.05, which is, mentioned to that sa problem 0.05 ang p-value. Step 3, compute the test statistics. Population standard deviation is unknown and n equals 30 to 20. Computation, t equals x bar minus mu over s over square root of n. Muna yung formula. Dayon, ang equals niya is 165 minus 163. Isulat rin mo ang katungkol sa giyon din sa yung given nga problem. Pero yung point, natapod niya kung unsa siya lapit nga word, kung unsa yung gihatag nga word, dito pwede mo siya ibutang sa katong. Over 4.57 over square root of 20, which is the total of 1.96. Step 4, determine whether or not the p-value is less than the level of significance. The level of significance. Pero, before nimo, ay pareha naman sila. Para makitaan po mo ang kuan, ang sa critical values, by the method of critical values, pareha sa ano, by the p-value method. Ang kalahian lang nila is, ang sa critical value, kay pangitaan nimo ang yang degrees of freedom. Then, ang sa by the p-value method is yun ang pangitaan ng degrees of freedom. Ito na yun. Okay. Kung sa'yo nakabutang sa given na problem, may butang nila. Kaya sa critical values, kay pangitaan mo ang degrees of freedom niya para makitaan mo yung number. Then, dili kay kung ano lang dahil, ang sa formula, parihalagapon sila dahil. Sa degrees of freedom kay n-1. Ang sa same lang formula kato sa computation is t equals x bar minus mu equals s over square root of n. Kung ang kinalasan nasa step 4 kay nagtuhanan pa kita sa degrees of freedom, which is the df equals n-1. Kanin mo dito ni kadines kato na drawing kato may kani butan mo ang less than greater than. Tapos, muna tayo siya.